Welcome to Logic Medico. This embryology model is beautifully visible. Twins are there. So these twins, as we can see, there are two separate sacs for the twins, isn't it? Two separate sacs for the twins are there. So there are two amniotic cavity. That only shows this is a dizygotic twin. A dizygotic twin is a twin wherein each zygote is developed from fertilization of a different ova. So this fertilization of a different ova gives rise to dizygotic twin. So what happens here? One of the ova will be there. There will be fertilization of that ova. Okay. Following which another sperm will fertilize a different ova. So there will be two ovas here. One is fertilized by one type of sperm. For example, it can be a female zygote. The other one is fertilized by a different sperm. That can be a male child, also other female child. They are not identical twins. They are non-identical twins, or they are allo twins. They are not iso twins. Iso means identical twins. So this occurs when two different ova are fertilized by two different zygotes. Now interestingly here what we can observe is, here we have two placentas here. See, this is one placenta. Placenta we usually call chorionic, okay? So two placenta. So we call it as dichorionic. Okay, two amniotic cavities we have. So the blue color cavity what you are seeing is amniotic cavity. So dichorionic, diamniotic types of twins. Whereas on the other twins you can see, other dizygotic twins, you can see only one type of one placenta here. You can see only one placenta here. But how many amniotic cavities are there? How many blue color cavities are there? It's two cavities are there. So this is only one placenta, monochorionic diamniotic type of twins. So what happens in this kind of twins? Usually there will be competition between the twins, okay? In this kind of twins there will be competition. For what? Competition for the nutrition. Say for example this child is getting more nutrition, it will grow more big, whereas the other child is compromised in weight because one of the child has compressed that. So it can result in a condition called fetus paperaceous, meaning one of the fetus will become like a tissue paper. It becomes really thin. Especially in monochorionic diamniotic twins this happens because placenta is common for both the twins. So they will be fighting for nutrition. Whoever wins the battle, whoever wins the fight will get maximum nutrition. That kind of thing will not happen in dichorionic diamniotic twins because two separate placenta is there, that is chorionic. Two separate amniotic cavities are there. So there is no competition for the nutrition because two separate placentas are there. That is the importance of understanding the dizygotic twins. It can have a common placenta, it can have a two separate placenta. This is the importance of learning dizygotic twin. Also they won't be identical, so nobody will believe that they are twins actually in their family member. So you should be able to explain their family member or relative that they will not be identical. They will be identical only if they are derived from a single zygote, which I will tell you in my next video. If they are derived from two different sperms and two different ova of the same mother and father, of course, but two different ova and two different sperm, obviously the genetic material won't be identical and therefore they are not identical twins. Twins need not be always identical. Please keep this in mind. Thank you for watching and learning from Logic Medico.